Now, how to fix this app from Play Store problem on Android? Now, to fix it, there is different ways you can fix it. This error occur because of the app is flagged out by Google as third-party application. To fix it, this is how to do it. What you will do now, and first is clear Play Store cache and data. Here, first clear Play Store cache and data like this. Press on it like this. Now, click on App Info if you can find it here. Tap on it like this. Now, click on Storage, find cache and storage. Like here, you can see storage and cache, and click on it here. Now, click on Clear Cache like this. Sometimes Google Play Store might be corrupted. It might cause this issue. And then the second one is restart your phone like this. Click on here, and then you restart it to refresh your phone system. This will also fix it. If this doesn't work, what you do now here, which is the third one, is restore from Play Store. So what you do now is to go to your Play Store and click on it here. And click on search. Search for the application which you want to reinstall here. Search for the application. Here I will use this week, for example. And what you do now is to click on the application here. What you do now here is to uninstall the application and reinstall it inside Play Store. This will remove the third-party flag, which will first get this app from Play Store error. Here, uninstall the application. Now install it. As you can see here, you can open the application and check it up again. So this is how to remove get from Play Store error here. Now, if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I will do so reply you. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tutorial. And check out the playlist on the screen in order to know how to use this speak. Also, check out the other playlists you might find it helpful. And see you on the next video. And have a great day. Peace.